Another issue about obviously the Columbias, I'm sure whoever owns the Columbia has heard about it, is the nose shimmy on these particular aircrafts is very sensitive. Literally a low pressure on the tire could cause a nose shimmy. A tire being out of balance could cause a nose shimmy. A tire, not the actual main bolt not tightened up enough, what the manual calls for it, could cause a nose shimmy. The nose strut itself could cause the nose shimmy. If there's not enough pressure, the pressure that the manual calls to be on there is 250 plus or minus 25 psi. So you want to check and make sure that there's pressure in the nose strut. Sometimes what we usually do here as well is there's a cap right by the nose strut itself that, that's where you add your air pressure right in here, right? And so what we usually do, you got to be careful with this, as you might want to an A&P mechanic actually performing this. We remove this cap and we let some of that air out. If there is any fluid coming off of there, that means that the seals are allowing a hydraulic fluid getting into the actual air chamber. So at that point, that means that you might have to do a reseal on the nose strut itself. There's also, you can get more into it, this is more of a mechanic where they can bring the nose strut down and check and make sure that the nose strut itself is shimmied where it should be. This is a shim right there you can add in between the engine mount and the nose strut to make sure that there is not much movement there. So, but this could be done by a mechanic. A pilot could definitely check the pressure and start with the pressure there could be a first check, and then maybe if they can do a tire balance, they can balance the tire.